Medical experts are warning about the high chance of a whooping cough outbreak this year, with cases doubling throughout the country. The last outbreak of the disease was 3 years ago, and paediatric specialists say the country is now due for another. Cases were reportedly more than double what they were at this time last year. Medical professionals are urging patients to immunise themselves and their children against the deadly disease. Whooping cough mostly affects young babies. It is highly contagious and can be fatal. Large outbreaks occur every 2 to 5 years, and the last was reportedly one of the worst on record.